I rank the best and worst AI tools to make money in 2026. Some of these tools can legitimately help you scale a business or create a new income stream. And others, even though they're everywhere on YouTube and Twitter, are a massive waste of time. I've tested a lot of AI tools. I build AI powered businesses and I care about only one thing when I look at these tools. Can this actually make money in the real world? Not is it cool? Not is it fun to play with? Can someone realistically get paid because this tool exists? That's the lens for this entire video. So I'm ranking these tools into 5 tiers. S tier, non-negotiable. A tier, powerful but not universal. B tier, niche but profitable. C tier, useful but won't make you money. F tier, don't bother. Let's get into it. But before we start, quick question. Drop a comment for us, okay? Which AI tool are you currently using or thinking about using to make money? If the answer is none yet, just comment starting now. Tool number 1 is ChatGPT. Let's get the obvious one out of the way. ChatGPT is S tier, not because it's trendy, but because it's the foundation layer for almost everything else. Writing, planning, coding, research, offers, automation, logic. This tool replaces thinking labor. Can you make money with it? Absolutely. I have, but people use it to build services, write sales copy, create workflows, presentations, sales videos, speed up delivery for clients. It's also incredibly easy to use and it's not going anywhere. If you're not using ChatGPT daily in some capacity, you're already behind. This is the baseline. Everything else stacks on top of this tool. Tool number 2, Claude. Claude is interesting. For writing heavy work, long form thinking, and certain coding tasks, it's actually better than ChatGPT in specific cases. Can it make you money? Yes, but usually as a support tool, not the core. Most people won't build a business around Claude, but they'll absolutely make more money with it. That's why it's A tier, not S. It's powerful, but not essential for everyone. Tool number 3, Midjourney. Midjourney generates images. Yes, people do make money with it. Brand kits, thumbnails, creative assets. But here's the real issue. Visual AI is becoming a feature, not a business. Most of what Midjourney does is getting absorbed into other tools. And long term, it's harder to charge purely for images. If you're a designer, it's great. If you're not, it's niche. That makes it B tier. Tool number 4, Runway. Runway is an AI video generation tool. Video is more valuable than images, no question. Businesses will pay for video. The downside, it's harder to use and not every business needs it regularly. If you're a content creator or agency, it can absolutely make money. For everyone else, it's situational. So this sits high B tier. Tool number 5, 11 Labs. 11 Labs is AI voice and we use it personally. And this is quietly powerful. If you do content, ads, training, or voiceovers, you should be using 11 Labs. This tool saves time and money. People also get paid to set it up or use it for clients. Voice is hard to get right and they do it well. I've been using them for 2+ years. It's not mandatory for every business, but for creators and marketers, this is A tier all day. Tool number 6, Zapier. Zapier is S tier, no debate. This tool has been around forever, way before AI, and that's actually why it's so powerful. Zapier connects tools. It automates workflows. It replaces manual processes. Businesses hate doing. And here's the key. People pay for automation. Agencies make money setting this up. Operators save headcount with it. Founders use it to scale without hiring. It's not flashy, it's not exciting, but it quietly prints value. Zapier, while it isn't AI content, it is actually AI infrastructure, and that's S tier every time. Tool number 7, N8N. N8N is open source automation, and if you're technical, this thing is a monster. You can build complex workflows, you can host it yourself, you can avoid software licensing costs. Can you make money with it? Yes, especially if you're working with more advanced clients. But here's the trade-off. The learning curve is real. This is not beginner friendly. So while it's extremely powerful, it's not universal. That puts it in A tier, high leverage, but only for the right person. Tool number 8, Notion AI. Notion AI is fine. It helps with writing, it helps with notes, it helps with organizing things, but here's the problem. Nobody is paying you because you used Notion AI. They might pay you to set up Notion systems, but the AI itself doesn't create income. It's a productivity layer, not a money layer. Useful? Yes. Revenue generating? Not really. That's C tier. Tool number 9, Perplexity. Perplexity is AI-powered search, and that's actually good, especially for research and verified sources. But from a money standpoint, it's more of a thinking enhancer than a business tool. Most people aren't selling Perplexity-powered services. They're just using it to get smarter faster. That puts it in B tier. Helpful, not a core income engine. Tool number 10, Gemini. Gemini is Google's AI, and its biggest advantage is obvious. It integrates with Google's ecosystem. That means Docs, Sheets, your Gmail, and if you live inside of Google, this can be useful. But outside that ecosystem, it really doesn't stand out. Can it help you work faster? Yes. Will it directly make you money? Rarely. That's why it sits in B tier. Solid, but not special. Tool number 11, Lovable. Lovable is interesting. It lets non-technical people build apps. And here's where the money is. People are selling custom internal apps to businesses for real money. 5K, 10K, sometimes more, built with tools like this. But you still need clear thinking, good prompts, and understanding of the business needs. This isn't plug and play. So while the opportunity is real and we're using it daily for web pages, software development, bios, it's not super beginner friendly. So it's high B tier. Tool number 12, Cursor. Cursor is an AI coding assistant. If you're a developer, it's great. If you're not, you probably won't touch it. Can it make money? Indirectly by speeding up people who already code. But this is a niche tool for a niche audience. That's C tier. Tool number 13, Your Atlas. Your Atlas is an AI voice and phone calling automation platform. This tool can handle inbound calls, qualify leads, run outbound follow-ups, and act like a first layer of sales or support. And this is important. Businesses already pay a lot of money for calls. Sales reps, call centers, front desk staff. So when you introduce AI that can intelligently handle conversations, route leads, and book next steps, the value is obvious. Can you make money with it? Yes, very quickly. People are getting paid to set this up for businesses, customize call flows, manage prompts and scripts, but the learning curve, while it isn't insane, you do need to know how conversations actually work for that business. This isn't S tier yet, only because voice AI adoption still takes trust. But long-term, this category is only going up. So strong A tier. Tool number 14, Reviewly.ai. Reviewly.ai is S tier. And yes, full transparency, this is my company. But here's why it earns the spot objectively. Reviewly automates Google review generation and responses using SMS and AI. And this matters because reviews directly affect revenue. More reviews equals more trust. More trust equals higher click-through. Higher click-through equals more customers. This isn't theoretical. Businesses already know they need reviews. They just hate asking, forget to follow up, or they don't respond consistently. Reviewly removes that friction. It sends review requests via SMS, uses AI to help customers write reviews, uses AI to help owners respond to reviews, and keeps the whole thing simple enough that it actually gets used. That's why this is S tier. not because it's AI powered, but because it plugs directly into trust, visibility, and conversion. Anything that automates credibility at scale becomes infrastructure, and infrastructure always wins. Tool number 15, Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence is F tier, and that's coming from someone who loves Apple products. I'm using all of it right now. It's good in marketing. It sounds friendly. It promises AI for the rest of us, but in real world use, it doesn't replace labor. It doesn't create revenue, and it doesn't do anything better than tools that already exist. Most people try it and then quietly go back to ChatGPT or other AI tools. Apple prioritizes privacy, which is great, but they've sacrificed usefulness in the process. Until this product actually helps people make money or save meaningful time, it's actually a distraction, and that's F tier. Do not build around it because it's not going to help you generate revenue. So now you've seen the pattern. The tools that win replace labor, automate systems, build trust, or directly support revenue. Everything else is optional. Now that you've seen the rankings, here's the part most people skip. Don't go install 10 tools right now. That's how people stay busy and stay broke. The goal here isn't to become an AI expert. The goal is to pick one tool that actually makes sense for you and use it long enough to pay you back. Here's the simple rule I follow. Pick one tool that touches revenue, replaces labor, or builds trust automatically, and then commit to it for 14 days. Not casually, not when you feel like it. Actually build a system around it, because AI doesn't reward dabbling. It rewards consistency. Now, to make this easier, I put together something for you. I dropped a free AI money playbook link in the description. This isn't theory. It's a step-by-step breakdown of how to turn AI tools into actual income. Inside the playbook, I will walk you through which AI tools map to which business models, how people are packaging these tools into services, simple offers that businesses actually say yes to, and the biggest mistakes that keep people stuck learning instead of earning. If you've ever thought, okay, but how do I actually make money with this stuff? That playbook answers it. Grab it. It's free. And if you want to go deeper than YouTube, I run a Skool community where we break this down in real time. This is where people are testing AI tools, sharing what's actually working, building offers, and turning these systems into real income. No fluff, no hype cycles, just builders comparing notes. If you're serious about using AI, not just watching videos about it, the link's in the description. Come hang out with us. So here's the takeaway. AI in 2026 isn't about knowing the most tools. It's about building the simplest system that makes money. Pick one. Use it consistently, let it compound, and if this video helped you, do us both a favor and hit subscribe. I'll keep breaking this stuff down without the noise, and I'll see you in the next one.